These magnificent structures were built entirely from quality building materials, which originated from profound ideas. We consistently think of ways to create home innovations, making homes even more enjoyable to live in. We think of ways to develop skilled labour and construction technology with the aim of being number one in every possible way. And we think of ways to maximise the use of our raw materials. Thailand thinks and proves once again that building structures featuring Thai construction materials impart distinctly skilled craftsmanship, all to achieve quality, customer satisfaction and global recognition. Think construction solution. Think Thailand.